Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we need to focus on this one. The first thing I need to put about u equals to this one. And the next one, we put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel the square root. So we have like this. And we know that this one, they will repeat again of this one. So we can transform this one, that is about u. And now I will put u and f and s go to the left. Now we can apply the formula of this one, that is about 8u squared plus bu plus c equals to number 0. So in this situation, 8 equals to number 1, b equals to negative number 1, c equals to negative f and s. So in this situation, we need to find determinant, that is about delta equals to b squared minus 4ac. So so we have b that is about negative number 1, and a that is about number 1, and c that is about negative f and s. So in this situation, we have b plus 4f and s. And the next one, that is about the solutions of u. So we have u equals to negative b, negative the square root of delta over 2/8. Now we can do similar for the second one. So b that is about negative number 1. This one that is about this one. Eight that is about number 1. So we have number 1 and number 1. So if we look carefully, we know that f and s, they should be positive. 1 plus another positive, they should be bigger than number 1. So number 1 minus of this one, you will got about negative number. But u in here, we can say that they should be positive. So we just select only this one. So u in here, that is about this one, and u that is about this one. So we go back in here. We need to transform this one into this one. And the next one, we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into capital 8. Capital 8 that is about 2s. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. So s multiplied by number 1 and the square root. So s minus s, they cancel. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel the square root. And this one we have number 1 plus 4f and s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have to use. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 1 over s. Because we don't have number 4, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. So the square root that is about u. The s over s that is about u over 2 du. So this one we have number 1. The integration of du that is about u, and I will put about c. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.